Hey there, it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. I'm a professional home organizer and I love the Container Store. So I'm going in the store to pick up my order today, but I want to take you on a little tour of the store and show you some of the best new products I've discovered on the website that I want to see in person today. We'll see what's hot and happening at the Container Store. If you've never been inside a Container Store, it's really fun. It's a storage and organization store. It's the original storage and organization store, and I love it. As a professional organizer, I shop there often for my clients. I buy all kinds of products to organize my home, and I'll show you what my favorite things are, as well as the most hip-hop happening new products that I can find in there. So let's go pick up our order and let's go see what's hot and fresh at TCS. We love the girls at the Home Edit. Look, they got a big old sign here. Awesome. This matte black modern garment rack is so cool. Such a cool design. Like, look at the curve here and then straight. We know matte black is really having a moment, and this matte black garment rack is totally awesome. The original shelving system, Elfa, now comes in a new color. It is called Graphite, and it looks incredible. It is so just strong and beautiful, and it's going to be a really, really nice color for some of you who want to change from the old white and silver. There is now a 3-tier mesh entryway storage for shoes, and what's great about it is it's got this angled shelf for shoes. It's got 3 levels of storage, and then on top you've got this shelf where you can put stuff, kind of like something I made a couple of years ago on my channel. TCS now sells a variety of OXO products, which is really fantastic. You guys know I love OXO. They sell OXO utensils as well as just all kinds of really fun OXO things. What's this? This is a spoon rest? Ooh, cool. One of my favorite areas is this area for baby food storage. I think this is so cute and is going to be great for all the parents out there. Look at this little silicone bento lunchbox for babies and this little silicone placemat for those of you who are trying to avoid using plastic. This is something I'm super excited to see at the Container Store. I'd actually looked at a few of those Instagram ads for these stone drying dish racks or mats, and they were really expensive, but here they are here at the Container Store from Madesmart for considerably less. This is $35 for the little one and then $50 for the big one, which I'm very intrigued by this. So it uses stone instead of fabric, and this is going to be less spreading of bacteria, and it's going to be really fast to evaporate. See, it says it accelerates evaporation. So I'm really intrigued by these 2 products. These are brand new. Okay, of my favorite new collections from TCS is actually the Condo collection, and these are just beautiful pantry bins. Take a look at these. They are made of bamboo and they are absolutely gorgeous. They are so beautiful, available in 2 different sizes. This is the small one and there's the big one. I do believe they're also available in black as well, but these are so beautiful. The entire Condo collection is stunning. I wouldn't be able to do this video unless I mentioned the Yamazaki Tosca bins. These are some of my favorite products, and you can see they're very much sold out because they're so beautiful. They are a little bit pricey. Looks like this one is $30 for the tiny one, but they're very well made and just stunning and really, really beautiful and strong. There's available in white, and they also have a different size. They've got a big size, and they're also available in baskets. I think their Tosca line just looks like this, and I think there are other products included too. You can get them on Amazon as well, but these are some of my favorite things from TCS. One of the oldest products at TCS is the 4-sort divider. It's available in 3 different sizes, a small, medium, and a large size. And as you can see, it's great for organizing everything in your kitchen, to your office, whatever. You can put folders, you can put plates and cutting boards. It is fantastic. And it's also used to merchandise things at TCS. If you're very careful and look around, it's a very useful item. TCS also now has your cleaning under control. They've got real simple cleaning products. We've got Method, we've got Blue Land, and everything you need to clean your home is now here available at TCS, which is fantastic. We've even got hand sanitizer. Here is the Marie Kondo beautiful hamper. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let's take it down from the shelf so we can see what it's like inside. Now, I have a Zen hamper just like that one. It's made of bamboo, and this one's also made of bamboo, but this one's a little larger, and someone's having a bad day in the background. And it's divided on the inside, and it's absolutely stunning. I do believe this is also available in black, but they only have the honey color right now. It is gorgeous. And actually, speaking of the Marie Kondo bin, this is a beautiful rattan bin. You can use this for laundry, you can use this for blankets or organizing stuffed animals, and it is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. A lot of people don't know why rattan is so expensive, and it's expensive because it's a renewable material, really labor intensive to harvest this from Indonesia and Philippines, and everything is hand woven, so these are definitely, in my opinion, worth every penny. Here are more beautiful rattan bins that are just so gorgeous. We also have a really awesome selection of mirrors and jewelry organizers, because if you've ever struggled to detangle a necklace, you know the pain. So this one from Umbra is actually pretty cute, and it's got a little bowl at the bottom where you can throw all of your little bracelets and earrings and stuff. So this one I like a lot. This is called the Tessera jewelry stand. Very cool. If you're at TCS, always just check the clearance section, because they always have really good stuff over here that is either last chance or it's maybe a little bit damaged, but you can still use it. I actually am going to pick up some of this hand sanitizer for my car. So let's take this home today. There is now a rattan desktop collection, which is so beautiful and gorgeous. It includes these beautiful bins. These are cubes. You can stick all of your whatever in here in your office, or toys or anything you want in there. They're so gorgeous. You know what, while I'm here, I'm also going to grab some cable drops because I forgot these last time I was here. If you've ever wanted to erase anything but also make yourself hungry at the same time, there's these macaron eraser sets. They're very, very cute. Of course, in case you don't know, Container Store also now sells Cricut Joy and all of the Cricut materials to go with it to help make those awesome custom label products. You need one. Speaking of Marie Kondo, here are more beautiful products. This is a lighter color. I think these are not made of bamboo, these are made of wood, a different wood, but they're so gorgeous. I definitely wanted to check out some of the new products from the Inner Design Home Edit collaboration, and they did not disappoint. They are made of wood, they're not made of plastic, so maybe they're a nice alternative for those of you looking for renewable resource organizing. They're very cute. And here is one of my favorite all-time products. This is the stackable bamboo shelf, and it is so gorgeous. This has been one of my favorites for a long time. It's gorgeous, it's sturdy. I think they've changed the design on this a little bit since I was an employee at the Container Store and also shopping, and notice what's holding it up? The beautiful 4-sort divider. We love a good moment with Elfa Freestanding. If you are a renter or you don't want to install Elfa into your wall, this is a great solution. It stands up on itself or by itself with feet. Look at the feet. I hope you enjoyed shopping at the Container Store with me. I had a great time. I got some cool stuff. And let me know what your favorite product from the Container Store is, or what you're looking to get if you want to get some stuff from the Container Store. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!